Morning, this is Todd, Walnut Ridge. Just wanted to go over a few things with everyone, and this one is on preventative maintenance on your RV, in particular sealants. So this unit here that we are working on, we've got it, it's in process, but it was lack of maintenance on their slide seals, so their floor line molding. They did not check their sealants, so water had leaked in. By the time the customer had noticed this, the damage was already done. We were in process of putting a new slide out floor in. So we do have the slide out floor out. We will go inside here, the unit, to get a better look so you can see what's going on. It did damage interior wall panel, so that's how they noticed it, that they saw some wicking of the water on an interior wall panel. So let's go step inside. Slide out floor is out. So we've removed the interior wall panel. Obviously you can see the water damage, some mold starting. So we will be replacing all that, new slide out floor. So the sealant issue and it was around the windows as well, so they just did not do any kind of maintenance, checking their sealants. So water did get in there, and the result of that, we're looking at a lot of work to get this thing back to where it needs to be, so the customer can have it back, get them back up camping, enjoying. But cannot stress enough, check your sealants on your roof, around the windows. Slide outs, just you need every 3 to 4 months, just do a visual walk around, make sure you don't see any sealant gaps, sealant voids anywhere in your camper. If you do, side walls, floor line moldings, you can use clear silicone. On your roof, you want to use a self-level rubber roof sealant, but it is very important to check your seal work at least a couple times a year, just to ensure that this does not happen to you and that you can be out there enjoying your camper instead of be in here getting repaired. This is probably going to be in here for probably another couple weeks. Anyways, I hope this helped everyone. Have a good day.